Welcome back. Harbor Freight has a 1-day flash sale Wednesday 2/5. So tomorrow it's on all Quinn torque wrenches and on the BRAUN 5500 lumen 4 feet linkable LED hanging shop light. We'll zoom in a little bit here. Actually, we'll go over each coupon. So first, again, flash day, only Wednesday. So $12.99. It's 43% off for these linkable LED hang lights, which are pretty cool. You can connect a few together, kind of like in a series, I believe. BRAUN 5500 lumen, $12.99. That's a excellent deal on these. I don't think they've gotten this cheap. If anything, maybe close to it. But $12.99. Let's read the fine print just to make sure we know what we're getting. It's limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Valid in-store and on in-stock items only. Coupon must be presented at time of sale. Offer valid for item 59506. Cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases including ITC member prices. Other restrictions may apply. Limit 4 per coupon. So you could get up to 4, which is, I don't know how many you would need, but that's pretty solid that they have not too bad of a limit. And then let's look at the Quinn torque wrenches. 40% off, which is, again, I think I mentioned this most of the times we go over these, but 40% off is as high as most of these all-encompassing tool sales go. So 40% off, obviously, you're going to get a great deal. I don't know too much about the Quinn torque wrenches, but I'm a fan of Quinn. I'm a fan of the Quinn scissors, so I'm pretty sure I'd be a fan of the Quinn torque wrenches. But anyways, 40% off all Quinn torque wrenches. 1-day flash sale tomorrow, Wednesday 2/5. Let's look at the fine print for these. Limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Valid in-store and on in-stock items only. Coupon must be presented at time of sale. Offer valid for items 64915, 64916, 58995, 58994, and 58628. So 5, I'm assuming the 5 torque wrenches that Quinn offers cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including ITC club member prices. Other restrictions may apply. Valid 2/5/25. So we will look at the torque wrenches at least because they're getting very specific. So I see I've sorted by brand, Quinn, and by their torque wrenches. So they come up with 8 different items, but it looks like those 3 items that they are not considering torque wrenches are these digital torque adapters. So these are not part of the sale, but does appear to be 5 separate torque wrenches, and we'll look at all of them. So first, and I've sorted from highest to lowest. So this is the Quinn 1/2 inch, 12.5 to 250 foot-pound digital angle torque wrench. So it is digital. I'm not gonna lie, I like that Q right there. $179.99. Let's just do the math with everybody here. 40% off. So $179.99 at 40% off. You're gonna get this for $107. Their 1/2 inch, 12 to 250 foot-pound digital angle torque wrench for $107. Now, I guess that still can be a little bit pricey, but that's, I mean, a 40% off is not a bad deal, but let's go ahead and look at the other options, see what options we have. So here is the 3/8 inch Quinn 5 to 100 foot-pound digital angle torque wrench. So smaller, a little bit less torque range, but it's still a digital angle torque wrench. So it's $169, a little bit cheaper. Let's see what this one comes out. So it's not gonna be too much more. But $169.99 at 40% off. You're getting this for just above $100. $101.99. So you're saving almost $70. And same thing on the previous one. You're saving a deep discount on these. So $101 for the 3/8 inch 5 to 100 foot-pound digital torque wrench. Let's just look at these other ones. Here we have the 1/2 inch drive, 50 to 250 foot-pound, just a click torque wrench, not digital, which, okay, I mean, digital's nice, but it's not necessary. $79.99 is the regular price on this. But if you're using the 40% off, you're getting this for $47.99, so $48. $48, you're saving just over $30 on this Quinn 1/2 inch drive, 50 to 250 foot-pound click torque wrench. So that's insane. That's I don't know. That's gonna be tough to pass up if you don't have a torque wrench. But we'll look at the other ones. Similar idea here, $10 less for the 3/8 inch 20 to 100 foot-pound click torque wrench. Again, not digital, but we'll do the math on this. $69.99 is a nice price in and of itself, but at 40% off, you're getting this for $41.99, $42 for a 3/8 inch drive, 20 to 100 foot-pound click torque wrench. All right, I'm intrigued. I am intrigued. And then this last one, which is a little bit less orthodox if you ask me, but who's asking me? Not nobody really. This is the QUINN 1/2-inch drive 80 to 160 foot-pound preset lug nut torque wrench, which is pretty cool. I mean, you have a very specific torque wrench just for lugs. New lower price already, $49.99. Already new lower price. That's not a coupon. I want to say you wouldn't be considered stacking anything because it's already just the deal. It's the new lower price. So you'd be doing $49.99 because this is not stacking, and you get 60% off of that. You get this for $29.99, so $30. Save $20 off. Yeah, not much more to say. Which one are you gonna go on a random Wednesday? I'm assuming hopefully you have the day off or you'll have some time to go after work. Which one are you gonna get? Are you going to get these? Are you going to get some lights? Let me know. Happy shopping, happy savings. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.